Welcome to the 2020 student registration process for MiCareerQuest. This video will walk you through the steps you will need to take to register your students to attend the 2020 event. Please note, if your school is in Berry or Montcalm counties, your ISD representative will be registering students. Before we get started, there is some important information we want you to be aware of for the 2020 event. MiCareerQuest 2020 will be held on Wednesday, May 13th, 2020 at the DeVos Place in downtown Grand Rapids. Registration for MiCareerQuest 2020 opens immediately at 9 a.m. on Wednesday, November 6th, 2019. Registration for this year is limited to 7th through 10th grade students. Please only register one grade level for your school. This will ensure your students won't have a duplicate experience and will also provide the opportunity for a greater number of students to participate. The registration platform is new this year and will look different than previous years. With your feedback, we have identified a platform that we hope streamlines the process for everyone. You will not need to log in or create an account to register. Tickets will sell out fast. While this platform will show you the total tickets remaining for each session in real time, the number will only be updated when the page is refreshed or you click Submit. Therefore, it is possible that the remaining ticket number may change between the time you select your amount and the time you submit the form. We apologize for any inconvenience. If you are unable to get the desired number of tickets, or if the event is sold out, you can be added to a waitlist. The link to add your students to the waitlist will be available on the registration form. Please note that it is rare that we are able to accommodate requests from the waitlist, and adding your name does not guarantee tickets will become available. To begin your registration, visit the MiCareerQuest website at www.micareerquest.org. On the home page, you will find the Register Students section on the left side of the page under the header image. Click on Register Students. This will take you to the student registration page. Every county will have its own registration form and therefore its own registration link. Find the link for your county and click. For example, if your school is in Allegan County, click on Allegan County School Districts to access the correct registration form. If you access the registration form prior to 9 a.m. on Wednesday, November 6th, you will see a notification that registration is currently closed and a countdown to when registration opens. It is okay to visit the registration page prior to 9 a.m. However, please note that the form will not appear at 9 a.m. unless you refresh the page. In other words, if you visit the page prior to registration opening, be sure to refresh the page at exactly 9 a.m. or when the countdown reaches 0. Once registration is open and you have refreshed your screen if needed, you will see the registration form. First, be sure that you have opened the form for the correct county. The form shown here is for Allegan County School Districts. Next, pay attention to the important notes and instructions on registering. It is important that you submit a complete and accurate form. Forms with inaccurate or missing information may result in your registration being canceled. The form will ask you to select your school district from a drop-down menu. If your school is not part of a school district, please select the appropriate choice, either homeschool or the private parochial charter school selection at the bottom of the drop-down menu. Please provide the full specific name of the school you are registering. For example, if you are registering for Forest Hills Central High School, please type this out. Do not just enter Central or Forest Hills. Be sure to include if it is a middle or high school. Do not input the counselor or teacher's name into this field. Please provide the phone number and email address where you can be reached to discuss your registration. Any issues, concerns, and important event information will be communicating using this contact information. Please include your total number of chaperones in your ticket numbers. We suggest one chaperone per 20 to 30 students. It is not necessary to identify who these chaperones will be during registration, but they must be included in the number of tickets. For example, if you are bringing 100 students and plan to bring 4 chaperones, register for 104 tickets. To complete your registration, be sure to enter complete and accurate information into the form fields. You will be required to enter first and last name, email address, primary phone number, job title, school district, and school name. There is a field available to enter your phone extension. If you have an extension that will allow us to reach you directly, please include it. Please remember to enter your entire school name. For example, Forest Hills Central High School, as opposed to Forest Hills or Central. If you are a homeschool, please select that from the school district drop-down. If your school does not belong to a district, please select Private Parochial Charter from the school district drop-down. When you have completely filled out the form fields, it is time to select your preferred session time and the number of tickets you need. You will be able to see the total number of remaining tickets in the ticket selection field. You can use this information to select the session that best accommodates the number of students you would like to bring. Remember to include chaperones in your total ticket number. The remaining ticket numbers shown will update as soon as you click Submit. This means that if someone ordered tickets while you were filling out the form, the number remaining may have decreased in that time. If there are no longer enough tickets to accommodate your needs, you have 3 options. 1. Adjust your ticket number to meet the total tickets available. 2. Switch to a different session that has enough remaining tickets. Or 3. Add your name to the wait list. We wish we could accommodate every school and student who is interested in learning more about high-demand careers in West Michigan at MiCareerQuest, but space and time limitations just won't allow for that. If you are unable to order the number of tickets needed for your school, or tickets have already sold out, you can add your name to the wait list. A link to do this can be found at the bottom of the registration form. Click on this link to open the waitlist form and fill it out accurately and completely. Please note that in addition to the waitlist does not guarantee tickets will become available. If spots do open up and your request can be filled, you will be contacted to confirm the number of students and time slot. Thank you for your interest and continued participation in MiCareerQuest. We look forward to seeing you in 2020.